In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you have to configure your interface. So you want to go to the setup button up top and you want to click on the playback engine. Now whenever you do this over here, you want to select your input device you want to use. So in my case, I'm going to use this microphone over here and then the output device as well, of course, which is going to be your speakers. So select them, and if you actually make any changes over here, it's going to prompt you that you actually have to restart your current project. So it's going to just close it and reopen your workspace, and then when you're done, you'll basically be able to use these two input and output devices. Okay, so that's the very first thing you have to do. Now the second thing you have to do, you want to go to window up top, or not window but setup, and then click on I/O. Now in here you want to of course create your I/O setup, which is the input and output, and of course whenever you've done this, you can then go ahead and proceed to our next step, which is going to be creating a new track. So go to track up top left and then click on new. As you can see here, you can select what you want. So I'm just going to go with mono, and I'm going to make it an audio track and samples, and I'm just going to leave it like it is and click on create. Now whenever you've done this over here, you want to make sure you can actually enable the I/O view. Okay, so to do this, what you want to do is click on over here. So click anywhere inside these inserts. As you can see over here, if they are not showing, you can just go to over here up top where you can see it says insert, and if you go to over here where it says view, you should be able to click on edit window views and then click on the inserts A to E, and then these are going to allow you to basically see these inserts. Now click on the first one or whichever one you want and go to I/O and then basically select your insert. I'm going to go with the first one over here, and that's going to be it for me. Okay, now the second thing you have to do here is actually enable this recording button. So just click on the record button over here, and as you can see, it's going to basically a kind of track record enable, it says over here, and you can see here as I'm speaking, it's actually picking up the audio. So I can now go and actually go to window up top, and then in here you want to click on transport. Now you want to enable this recording as well, so click on this global recording button over here and then just press the spacebar key, and as you do this, as you can see, it's going to start recording your audio and whatever you are saying. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. Whenever you're done, you can just go and press the spacebar again and you have successfully done a recording. So as you can see over here, here it is, there's basically what I have spoken. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.